Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
I point out to them that she is the brightest. Now, I don't know. So I have to explain to you all now under what condition I say she's the brightest. My 24-year-old daughter, Jacinta, she came 2 years ago and she took the book, How Europe Underdeveloped Africa by Walter Rodney. My 24-year-old daughter, Jacinta, is studying that book for the past 2 years and can't finish. And nothing, she still have it. So I point out to my son that you can't walk in your little sister's shoes, because right now she's studying Marcus Garvey, Life and Lesson. And once she done that, none of you can talk to her because you know I forgot to study that for know which part for her head there. So I look at my son dreadlocks. Yeah, my son dreadlocks, him locks way down my back, my son. And I said to him, say, you need to start study Horace, Campbell, Rasta, and Resistant. Because I know you're not Rasta. But you need to study that to understand where you're coming from, how you fit into this lax thing and this thing. I'm telling him, I say, knowing who me is, you're supposed to take your rightful place in this town now where stand up for where you know. Anyway, on a different note now, since my daughter did that interview with me, 6 of my prisoner brethren them, my prisoner family, call me. And everybody want a piece of the action. So I'm here today to tell you now that my prison family is part of my motivation. I will break that down for you now, yeah? I was taken down 1979. And I never come back a road until mid-90. That's when I come back a road. So I did my 15-piece straight up. I never make no deal. I never make no compromisation. I never give up nobody. And I never sell out nothing. That's why I can talk the way I talk. Real stand-up guy. But I'm going to tell you something else. I did that 15-piece innocently. I keep telling us I go to jail all the while innocent. Keep telling all the while, but I can't comprehend. Because through the years I do things. Yes, I do enough things I do. Yeah. I do enough big things, enough little things, but I never get old for none of the things. Cause this is what now I try to show these youth now how the game play in the Badlands. Yeah. So don't get twisted by what you see and how much money you see bad man I make and the hustling I make. Cause it's a game and you have to know how the game play. So you hear me say? I do 15 years. Yeah. Innocent. Not only that be innocent, but me stand up. So let me break down some of how the thing work now. You see how me clean? The night when them take me down, I saw me clean on this. And the emphasis was placed on well-dressed queens, man. Taken down. Okay. When I go to jail, and that jail, you have to know now. So I just go in the background. When I go to jail, Brooklyn House at detention. Brooklyn House was like a halfway house. Just for go an idea so you can understand how jail run them time there. It's like a halfway house for streetless people. That is how jail used to run. So in a jail them time there, who can get bailed out of jail? So most of the men in a jail are sufferers, even though they're American or Puerto Rican or whoever, are sufferers in a jail. Man we can't make bail. So when me get old, the man them in the jail, jeans them are wear and Converse crep and Nike crep and them a crep. And me in the jail now in a suit and snakeskin shoes and things. Can you imagine now me the pan a wing with 60 man and me alone have a suit and snakeskin shoes? But that was the thing. So because of the way me dress, the guards them treat me different. The warder treat me different. The sergeant treat me different. Me look different. I'm different. So when I go up and visit, because me are the man, you have people that volunteer to do things for me. And people tell me what can happen and what can't happen. Here it is, me just come off the street, me have night jail food. That's how bossy me is. All me a feed pan, me just get old. Me drink a pint of milk each day. And the Muslim them selling carrot cake and bean pie. And that's what I was feeding on. No jail food to my thing. Right. I get visit 3 times a week. And each time my wife come, she bring me an ounce. Because I tell her I have a whole heap of things in my house. So each time my wife come, she bring me an ounce of Colombian gold. And there's somebody to bring it in. Now, because I don't eat the prison food, it's like all me do is just a bun weed. So, a morning time I will come down for my breakfast, which is the fruit and the cereal. So one morning I come down for my breakfast with a spliff. This is at Brooklyn House now. With a spliff and my ears corner. The American youth who share the food controller, a Yankee youth named Gibbs. Him see me with the spliff on me ears corner and want to push up on me. So I'm going to say, what I'm dread. Give me one of that now. But I never like how him call me dread. I never feel like I want to give him none. So I just ignore him. So by me ignore him now, him decide now, say him not give me enough food. See how the thing set now, because you have to know back then how the thing set now. Morrican was very abusive of us. Because I tell you now how I set trend, set pace. So the man decides say him not give me enough food and I just easy go back and I sell. And while me in my cell, I stand up on my cell door. The man take the thing, one, it's like me stand up on my cell door, I talk to one of my brethren, but the cell lock in, and I talk to one of my brethren. And while me I talk to my brethren, the brother go in at the slab sink and full a bucket of ammonia and hot water. And come on the side of the cell. Me there the cell, me just stop on the cell attack. I'm going to hear, douche. The brother dumped me with a bucket of hot water and ammonia. So I scream out cat water and thing, and when I scream out, me hear the whole black start say, shut up, coconut motherfucker. How you like me now? Being the kind of man means be just silent and hold me hot water and burn up. But when I look at myself, my first daughter was born in this country, Selma. I have a picture of her on my desk. And when I look on the picture, her face wet up with the hot water and Mona. I say, blood clot. So when them lock we out now, because them lock we out now on for recreation now, so I call over upon the next wing to my birthday name now, Dove Chronicle. And I say, Dove, meet me at the barber shop. So me and Dove meet at the barber shop. And I say, Dove, the boy them born up this man, you know. And them say, hey. I say, yeah, man. So, why no more want that, you know. So, Dove go for that. So, I tell you where that was. That was a 007. Anybody will know 007 knife? Switchblade 007. When you open it out, it's a 7-inch long. And Dove, give me the 7-inch 007. But one of my brethren prick me and tell me now, who burn me up too. Because I hide burn up, you know. I one of them hide burn up. So I say, all right, because I tell you how I set my thing now, you know. So I say, all right, I take the 007, them time I buy a boot at Paris. One of them army combat boot. So I have on the boot. But the boot is a garter's boot. So I push the 007 down in the garter section of the boot. So me hear them say, and the gym everywhere. So the whole wing of God, east side, west side, the whole of the gym Saturday morning, you know. So when I reach for the gym now, I'm going to the gym. The brother will burn me up. I see him on the punching bag, because them time the Yankee love punch up people, you know. So I'm on the punching bag, I work out, you know. I walk past him, and I go in there. No, when I go in the gym, the metal detector go off. But when the metal detector go off, I draw up my right foot up pants and show the officer, say, yo, I have a garter's boot, so that's why it go off. So him send me through. So I'm sure my left foot, but at the right foot, I have 007 now. So when I go in at the training room and take out the 007 and flight. So when I come back out now to approach the target, instead I thump up the punching bag, but him look on the punching bag and see me I come. So when him see me I come, him throw the punching bag towards me, and I use my left hand and not there, right? So I'm going to say not there now. I step to him and slap one to him. So you see me slap one to him start screaming up. It starts scream. And I slap him my next one and I'm drop. Because I'm going to murder this and I'm going to tell you point blank. Yeah? You see when him drop, and I go over him for go send it on him now. Around 20 Muslim rush me. So I stand up now and step to them now with the 007 and then back off. So it's when them back off, around 30 officers running to the gym. So now you have 20 Muslim that face me. I tell you how I make my name in the system. You have 20 Muslim that face me. You have the boy on the ground, a draw, blood up, right? You have 30 officers behind me. None no one step to me. I want down up the boy on the ground. But each time if it step to the boy to the ground, the Muslim rush me. So I have to back off of him, man. So that I save me now. Because each time if I go give him the last piece of the thing, the Muslim them step to me. And I have to ease off of them and step to them. But when I step to them, all of them are run. So I stand up and look on the Muslim, and I look on the officer them, and I look on them on the ground. And I just walk up to the officer them, right? I just walk up to the officer them. And I have an officer named Officer Ali. I just hold Officer Ali on with my left hand and just put the 007 in a man and then just open a gunlet. I don't know if you know what a gunlet is, but that's a security term. Then open a gunlet and I just step to the gunlet and then just lock back the gunlet. Yeah? And two of them start move with me. So they might escort me now. So they might escort me to, you have a place them called the bin. So they might carry me go to the bin. But when I got the bin, all I'm saying, you need to keep these motherfuckers away from me. Because I'll murder every one of them in this motherfucking place. This is what I tell you after them, eh? I'm going to the elevator, I'm going to keep, I tell you after them, say, you need to keep these motherfuckers away from me. Because I'll destroy them. You see, when I reach on the 3rd floor of the bin, listen this now. When I reach on the 3rd floor of the bin, you have a boy around 6'5" and him at the hardly on the bin. So them open the bin and let me in. But him hear me I tell the Africa. That's all me I repeat. Keep these people away from me, I'll murder them. That's all me I repeat. So when him hear me I say that to the officer them, you know him greet me by saying to me, him say, shut up, punk. That him said to me, shut up, punk. Right? When him said that to me, yeah, Officer Ali have the 007 blood up in a him button pocket. Yeah? You see, when the man said to me, say, shut up, punk, me reflex, yeah? Me just dip to Officer Ali button pocket. I remember saying me that stick man, you know. Me that stick man. So when me dip, it's like me just slap Officer Ali pan him side pocket. But when me slap him, the 007 come up. And when the 007 come up, you see the big hardly? He piss up himself. He piss up himself. The police, them a tremble and him a piss. Yeah? The way he becomes so pathetic. The way he that talk to me and I think same could I just slap me down, you know. They both tell me about shut up before me slap you. And you see when him see me come up, because him don't know what happening, you know. When he see me come up with the 007 again, I ready for him. He piss up himself. And the officer them escort him. And the warder put out instant bulletin. Whenever my cell open, the whole place must lock down. And that is like 3 weeks after me get arrested. So that is my treatment now. So when me get visit now by myself in a private room. I'm able to do what I want to do. And I'm able to get what I want to get. See? Levels, you know. Now, because I'm a special case now, they decide that they're going to send me on a thing called overload. So now care how you see a guy bad. When him hear them go up and overload, guys will tell upon them mother. Because overload is not a nice thing. Overload is going to Rikers Island. When you get arrested in New York, you go to Staten Island if you get arrested in Staten Island. If it's Bronx, you go to Bronx House. If it's Queens, you go to Queens House. If it's Brooklyn, you go to Brooklyn House. And if it's Manhattan, you go to, I forgot the Manhattan, what Manhattan House. What do they call it? But I know man at the house, forgot to then call it. Sometimes downtown. But if it's a Brooklyn man and you get arrested in Brooklyn, you want to be at Brooklyn house because it's easier for your family to come and see you in Brooklyn house. Rikers Island is Rikers Island. Your family have to come to Rikers Island. No, they have to come to somewhere in Queens, and then they have to take a bus to go across a special bridge because the island is an island by itself. So you have to take a special bus to cross over to the island. That's how Rikers Island is located after after 5 Barrow. It's out there in the water. So no man no really want to go to Rikers Island. But it's a 2 million badass now. When them say Rikers Island, I never really feel no way. So I just go to Rikers Island and I'm going to go to Rikers Island. But like I tell you already say, I pay American Mrs. Spirit. So I'm going to Rikers Island. And my American friend, gangster friend, them around the island. So I fit right in with the island life. So I end up now I run the bin and I run the blocks. Now, first time I got to the gym, because I need to know this too. Because I'm telling you how I set pace. First time I got to the gym at Rikers Island, when I go to the gym, I play house music and bunks rap music I play and all them kind of Yankee music. So I strict Yankee music I play because it's American jail me now. So I look on the gym master and give him a talk. I ask the gym master, say, yo, how come I play American music I play? He said to me, say, Bunny, that's all I've got. I said to him, say, so tell me, if me want to get some yard music now, how am I forget about it? Him say, if you want to give us some yard music, all you have to do, have your family bring up some yard music. Huh? Should tell me that. But call me house and tell my wife, say, yo, next time you come, bring my whole selection. You hear me say? Bring my whole selection. Yo! You say when we got Jim turn up. Ah, leader must have dream, you a dream. And then music that run them time there, you know. Dillinger tune them. Barnabas tune them. Clint Eastwood. You know, 70s tune, 70s DJ. Early 70s DJ, them and the tune. And some General Echo and all them tune there, and Sister Nancy and, you know, Slim. Because I get the man, my whole house. Because true, I get bite. And when I get bite for. Music was nothing for me, because them time I control Joe Gibbs, I control the whole Randy's, I control, them time I run. When I go run this VP, them give me what I want. Because from Jamaica, I have them on the lock. Joe Gibbs, I got Joe Gibbs at Utica Avenue, them give me what I want. When I go to Channel 1 at Utica Avenue, them give me what I want. So I never have no problem giving away these music to the gym. So for those of you who go to Rikers Island and hear reggae music in Rikers Island, know that me did donate these things to the Department of Correction at Rikers Island. You have to know. I'm going to tell you levels of my set. Anyway, we're not going to dwell upon a whole heap of prison business neither. What happened since my daughter thing, a whole heap of my brethren, the prison family, call me. And everybody love what I do. Because them know. So I'm a stand-up guy. So everybody say, boy, Jabi, we love what you're doing now. Because, I tell you something now, them inspire me, because I hear them inspire me now. Here it is that me telling us me do 15 years. So I want to just stop now and think what me I go tell them now, you know. Me do 15 years. Some of them man will call me. I go see them and left them. So hold it there, so. Me going in at the 70 and come out at the 90s. When me come out in the 90s, yeah? When me reach Jamaica, I like a Mars me come from. Jamaica, when me come out of the airport of Jamaica, some police come for me and them put me in a cruiser. And when the man them put me in a cruiser, the man them turn on IRFM in a cruiser. I forced me a hear IRFM. When me left Jamaica, there was no IRFM. So when me go into the cruiser, first of all, when me see the police them, me I wonder, a police them, yeah? Because when me left Jamaica, police that looks up. Me just set that thing so you can see what me I say now. When me left Jamaica, police look, CID police, when they see them, then look like CID, then look like police, then look like headmaster, then look like school teacher. Who remember when police used to look like school teacher, headmaster? Police shirt na them pants, police have on tie, and the police look decent. When me reach Jamaica and police come for me, some little blood clot, careless looking boy come for me. I say police them, yeah? So, like me, I wonder, how would them, yeah? Because I know so me, my head, I know so me know the police supposed to look. The man them can look for me. They have on jeans, some like a plaid shirt and crepe. I say, a police them, yeah? Me call me chip lick. So, but them was a young boy, so through them a young boy, me just stand up. Then I know me, so me just go on like, you have to know when big top man come in town now. Because, first of all, them little boy not supposed to come deal with me, because they can't talk to me. Little boy, me deal the little boy. Whether you're police, me don't care you what. For you're a little boy, you're a little boy. You can't come chat to me, being a size. That's my attitude. Me not going to be rude to a youth, you know. But, look for me now, big 70-year-old man, 60-year-old man. If you're going to send a 35-year-old police to come talk to me, what am I come talk to him about? I'm going to tell them an idiot. A 35-year-old police, whether I'm American, whether I'm British, whether I'm Cuban, whether I'm Russian, he can't talk to me. I'm a big man, I'm going to make him look like, who are you talking to? How am I going to answer question to 35-year-old, 40-year-old youth? Whether you're police or what, when am I going to answer question for you? So, when I say now, I say this now for some boy out there claims them a bad boy. The 40-year-old bad boy can't come talk to me. Me your size. So I just want to switch back the thing now to carry some people in them lane. When you talk to me, me a big senior man. If me die Jamaica and police talk to me, a superintendent have to come talk to me. Because me and my size. And if you're a young superintendent, you can't come talk to me because I'm going to run your way. You're a boy, because I don't give information. I don't give information. So if you're a superintendent, you have to talk to me like, Mr. Bunny, yeah, I remember you from back those days and thing, and you know. And then me say, yes, me a size, yeah, because I remember I said we did go through that road in Zamida, I feel left to the sun. Yeah, a different talk. But if you're that 45-year-old superintendent, how you going to talk to me? Just tell me. All right. If you're a 45-year-old politician, like Andrew Hollis now, if Andrew Hollis see me now, how you going to talk to me, Mr. Hollis? Well, you can't tell me now. When me a boy, I wrap up with Siago, I wrap up with W. Thompson, I wrap up with PGA, I wrap up with Blood Clot Porsche, because when the boy them take with, You didn't know, say them take a pain land one time from Porsche, and me and my team go take back that. I'm not collect from Porsche all now for that. I know for you put in and I'm not collect for you. You have to know who me things to, you know. I tell you straight up, you know, who me things. But me not watch them thing because something I have to give some volunteer service. But the point I'm making, if me come to Jamaica and I go talk to Andrew Wallace now, Andrew Wallace have to talk to me with a certain level of respect and know say the man know the thing. And know say the man have a different type of ground cred. Because I see what she name Babsy. I see Babsy about here, you know. I see Babsy about here. I never push up in a Babsy. Because I don't know her from nowhere. And when you come to dealing with me, you can't deal with me if I don't know you. And I never used to say, Babsy can't say she did that. She did that at Chocomoland. Because I never see her in there. Me know everybody where did that Chocomoland. So you can't come push yourself in a history for me. Somebody tell me say, Babsy did the upper camp when they would have Pernell Charles up there. I know Pernell Charles. When they would have Pernell Charles and Bayakal up there. But I no remember Babsy them time there. And if Babsy did the round them time there, she never sting. Because she has sting, mother didn't know so she has sting. It's like all Desmond Mackenzie. Them man, I know me. You see me call him man. I don't call him boy, you know. I don't call him boy. Because I'm a bigger man for me. So I don't go boy him up now, pan no. I don't go size up with Desmond Mackenzie. Because I'm a brother friend that. My big brother age. And me sit in a Chocomola and I say, my brother and Desmond and the whole of them in a branch meeting and things. So I don't go, this Desmond now, for say Desmond up this side. Because in my one away, me watch Desmond. Desmond a bigger boy for me. Me used to watch Desmond Mackenzie in a Chocomola. I think Desmond they come from one of, I think Desmond either on a Milk Lane or on a last street where so me want to say come from. I don't remember exactly what but I know Desmond from a little boy. You have a next boy named Margaman. Yeah, them boy, I know them boy there from me you. I know Margaman from Bennett land time. So you see how long from me 8 years when I know Margaman. So I'm sitting good dead now. But the point what I'm making is that when I got these people, I come to Jamaica now, now like a police boy can't come talk to you. You have to look like police to talk to me. You can't look like you're like a street boy and come talk to me. I don't have time for you know conversation and things like that. You have to, in my mind, there's a certain way where police supposed to look. So if you don't look like police, it's like opportunity. Mr. Garden. I'm say Mr. Garden. Mr. Garden give me respect, I give him respect. Because the man that come from in my time, and when him becomes big superintendent, when I see him, and him see me, him know him say. So him not treat me like me a little careless boy. And I not approach him like him a little careless police, because I respect to him. Respect you, even Tony with respect you. Yeah, you have to know respect you certain people, because when them see with them, you will respect. That's how respect is. Whether you're police or whether you're a thief, there's a level of respect there, because we respect each other. He's the law, I'm crime. He's a crime fighter, I'm crime. Now, getting back now to the prisoners them now. You have some man down at Jamaica, my friend them. Me come out and left them man there in the mid 90s. And them man they never come out till all 3 years ago. So me have some bridging me call the man them. Me have bridging me put in 45 years. Me have bridging me put in 37 years. Me have bridging me put in 30 years. Me have bridging me put in 35 years. Me have bridging me put in 25 years, 27 years. And them kind of years they me have bridging when the man. So When I want to show the youth them now, just imagine a man done 45 years. That is 4.5 decades. A man that come from mid-70 and do 45 years. When you check it, that man they no see none of the 80s, he no see none of the 90s, he no see none of the 2000, he no come out with all 2017. Can you imagine the mindset of a man like that? When the man them touch Jamaica, it's like a Mars them come from the blood cleat. You have some man at Jamaica right now, some big man, and like a Mars them come for. Them just in themselves so right now. Them not have no woman, them not have no family, them not have nobody to reach out to. And them know me I do what me I do. To inspire them man. And the man them I get inspired, the man, me don't know how me can help them. Right now, me I think say, boy, me want my program grow so me can bring out them man they out of them shell. Because the man them and them man they are falling soldier, because them man they are Rasta man too. Them man they did get the wrong end of the stick like me. Because you have to know, me tell you something. Me tell you already say, every time I go to jail innocent. When them take me down in New York, them take me down innocent, and they never take me down for nothing me do. You have to know these things. Them take me down, when them hold me, and them claim say the gun where them hold me with have a much body upon it. Which is lie. Just like how you hear them say, Tommy Lee, them old Tommy Lee with that. And some little old done game still a go on, you know. And as youth, because nobody never school to the thing. Just panic under the thing. Let me show you something. I beat all my case them by myself. I'm never gone about the high school. So I'm going to tell you how the game play. Because if you know the game, them can't beat you by the game. Me a boy will bust a shot in you right now in a public daylight. And everybody say me bust a shot in you. And police hold me not guilty. Me not guilty. All them are going to find me guilty. Tom, Dick, Harry, Mary have to come and say, yes, and you would do it. Me not tell the police how me do it. You mad? The game no play so. So you fall and sweat. Now, the same game where them a play upon Tommy Lee, and I think them play it upon Vibes Cartel too. Them try play it upon me. When them hold me that thing. Yeah, them hold me that them take a thing off and me come and leave my thing. But the first mistake them go make, them start tell me, say, Mr. B, you see a thing when we take off of you? You know, say it have 3 body and X amount of shooting. And I say, I want to talk about, I don't want to talk about. So them start sweat me. Then, them all a next man now. And them I tell the man now, say, you know, say you do them thing there. But them still, them already say them hold me feet. You saw the thing go? So them hold the next man, and I tell the next man, say, I you would do it, you know. But we have Mr. B badass feet, you know. So what them expect now? Them expect me to say, no, I know me do it in that time, do it. But I know so the Badlands run. Because all the things set, the next man with them holding up, them give the next man a offer, a plea for 3 to 9, and the man just jump on that and take it and touch back road in no time at all. While me did I fight my case, the man touch road and go blaze up road again and come back in there and see me again, you know, and laugh and tell me, say, see, you know the game play, but you can't go out, boy, and fight them boy there. See? And the man take an next plea and gone left. And when him gone, him touch road again and him throw my yard and him stay a yard. When me reach yard, I go look for the man pan the men's. And the man just laugh and say, yo, you see, ass are the greatest. The man give me greatest status because him see how me play my game. Why you think me tell you say me can pepper some man a garden and still go a garden? Because the man them know say the man they a real pepper man. Because if me pepper you, me expect you to pepper me forward. Me not expect you to the game play one way. Me pepper you, you pepper me forward. Because a rude boy thing. Me can pepper you and you go on like you're a rude boy, but a police you use fight you a while. How that come at the thing? And at that I want to show some youth now, say most man, it's that police game there. A Masop start that police game there. Clad the Masop. A him start the police game there. Yeah? Masop kill Basil from out of Spangler. Out of Beeson Street and what? West Street. Yeah? And then him turn around and him give evidence against Danny Fraser and Eddie Fraser. And him give them up again too. And after him give them up, him run we come to England. Yeah? And when him run we come to England, my virgin them pepper fedemetics. See that? My team, pepper fedemetics. And when them pepper fedemetics, what happen? Them all on Michael Unch, Michael Bernard. The whole world knows that Unch was pepper man. See? When them all on Unch, everybody knows that Unch do it. And we got a negotiation table. When we got a negotiation table, we decide, say, all right, we are going to free Masop and we are going to free Unch. See that? Because them time there, a bird daughter are the witness against Unch. We will never know a bird daughter, brother, kill Fede. You see how the game cool? Our brother kill Fedemetics. Yet she got court but testify against Michael Bernard. And when we negotiate and say, yo, free Unch and we are going to free Masop. We did free Masop. Nobody don't go to court against Masop. Masop free. See that? Yet, them never free Bernard. And Bernard go to prison and spend over 16 to 17 years on death row. Big campaign, Jamaica, cry and ball, free Michael Bernard till Privy Council free him. See? And the game continue like that. When them all on me, the whole of the man them at the police station, I tell the police, say, yo, I badass that, you know. Badass kill Tom, Dick, Harry. P.A. lie them a tell for me. I'm just fool. Wait till me do. Me don't tell them, say, no, no, me not do this, a Tom do this, a Harry do this. Me just fool. I'm going to do my time. See? Do my time. I'm going to come back a street. And everybody knows, say, yo, them man, they stand up. The man, they don't really make deal and cut deal. Because I don't make no deal and I don't cut no deal. That's why I can't talk how I talk right now. No boy can't tell me, say, I can't talk. Because I never cut no deal with I never cut no deal with CIA, FBI, New York Finest, Scotland Yard, MI6, or Interpol. I never cut no deal with nobody. There was no deal for me to cut. Me a stand-up guy. So today, me can speak how me want to speak and dare a dirty mouth boy for open their mouth. No boy can open their mouth for my name. All them can say, a badass that. Sometimes them say, in chip lick. But my chip no lick. My chip no lick. The problem is, I'm tired of them little fraud. Most of people we see out there pose a fraud them. And next thing where you know, look pan, it's a 3/4 people we see in the arena right now go on like them a bad boy and bad girl. They are asylum seekers. But as no seek asylum nowhere I'm going to the world. Me no seek asylum. If they come for me right now and say, badass, time for you go back to Jam 1. You ready? Time for you go back to Africa. You ready? Time if you go back to America. You ready? Because some things set. Me no seek asylum. Nobody no want to kill me nowhere in the world. 3/4 boy we see out there talk loud and a pose up. Asylum seeker them. And how do you get asylum from a country? You have to first renounce your country. Tell the country where you look asylum from that people in your original country want to kill you for whatever reason. Hey, if you hear some lie where some people tell pan Jamaica to the government in this country, that'd be shame. Because for you to get asylum, you have to tell some extreme lie pan your country. So the boy can't seek no asylum and then come tell me say you're a bad boy. And me for busting your mouth. That's why I'm telling you, me lick no on the face, because I'm an asylum seeker. And that about who can go back a yard when you come tell the government you can't go back a yard for whatever reason. Some people will tell the government say them a batty man when them are no batty man, but it's true. The younger class, if you get asylum, you tell the government but you're a batty man and you're a sodomite and all them things. I don't live in a double life. One life me have at the badass. And everything now say a badness me deal with. So that's my thing there. And when I try to do now is show the youth them that don't make some people trick you now. And done in a life and a career. Because that's what's going to happen to you. You're going to pick up this badness and things that are going away. Nah, going away. Not going anywhere. It's all illusion. Because after you do certain things in yard, and if you slip through the net, when you reach a foreign, because you're hot like fire down a yard, you're going to have to go seek asylum and tell people lie pan Jamaica. I not tell lie pan Jamaica. I dash on my passport, but that don't mean I'm going to tell lie. Because I learn one thing from the first time I left Jamaica, I learn one thing. Jamaica government, them tell you, say, it's not what you can do for, it's not what your country can do for you, it's what you can do for your country. So once you're doing good things for your country will stand up behind you. Simple. If you're doing good things for your country will say, yeah man, I'm our boy that. But if you're doing slime, and from me left Jamaica, let's pay good me do for Jamaica. Me never hold on Jamaica head yet. Because everything when I do, I take it on full time. So if a badness, I try to carry it to the level where Jamaica proud say, yo, our boy that man, rude boy that. See? If you rude Papa Jamaica, will love you too, you know. Every time I go to Jamaica, I know Jamaica love me. Because I see how Jamaica respond to me. Yeah. Jamaica not despise me. Jamaica love real. Every country love them real rude boy. Every country. England love them real rude boy. America love them rude boy in a class by themselves. I just look a rude boy and know on a lane. You have to rude with dignity, rude with pride, rude with, have something about you. Yeah. I'm going to Jamaica right now, man. Politician want to talk to me. Yeah, because them don't know, say me that stand-up guy, me not giving a politician. I know you me giving a politician and talk no politician business and them things. Me not do them things there. That was Dodos. No Dodos. That was Jim Brown. Big downfall. Trust me. Jim Brown big downfall is the day after them order him extradite him, supposed to shut him blood clot mouth and go in himself, go fall and know, say, yo, US here me come and play the game. You know, say, let us play the game. Let us, we are frack like Babaya. Babaya, him call it, no Babaya, Baya. Him catch a style from the frack style, you know, because Baya, we are frack come out of camp. Yeah. See? So, let us, we are frack and make the pastor. You know what I mean? Slip him through the grab net till him corner him and just shut up. And when him there right now, him just mass out, cool out. Him alright. Because I don't hear him squeal. Him alright. But him father squeal. That's why they don't have to clip him father wing, because him squeal. And in the gangland, in the badlands, you can't squeal. You have to hold it. Because you can't say, you're a rude boy, I don't prepare for do some time and prepare for really buck your toe. Or you're a rude boy, I don't want to buck your toe. And buck your toe, you start squeal. You have. When Jim Brown look upon the media and say, yo, me have something for talk. When the blood clot, you don't talk. We don't tell the people them. Don't. Ask yourself that. The man look upon the media and say, yo, me have a side of the story too. Who want to hear your side of the story? I know me not start talk about my side of the story, because I not the side of the story. And me name badass. Nothing them say me do, me never do it. Me not have to come tell the world what me did do and what me never do. Me telling about some little things like hard work in a coxsome place, because me telling about that because me that make a point in terms of Bob Marley was enough icon back then. Nobody never want to see him record. So I left him record them on the shelf. That was the point. Me never boast say me broke coxsome place. That wasn't the point. So whosoever get the wrong thing from that, then they must get the wrong thing. Right? And today, like me tell you, last night, 5 of my youth them come check me last night, and I feel nice, and feel good, and my youth them proud of me. And none of my youth them now run with no badness, and them now pick up no badness, because me never program them for come. Me no left no lineage for them come follow. My youth them for come tell the world, say, badass are my father, but me's a doctor. Yeah, man. That sound nice. Badass are my father, but I'm a lawyer. That ring sweet. A youth in a parliament and if you stand up and say to the rest of parliament, do you know who my granddad is? My granddad is the badass. Go and do your homework on the badass. So my grandson for be a politician and set the thing now where them know say them youth are not come from good stock. And there's some thing there. I mean, I make nobody come tell no lie upon my name. Because I notice sometimes people pass out. So a lot of people have a lot to say now, like, yeah, me hear them mother pa my friend them name. Right? So me I talk now. So whosoever have secret and feel them know something, and when me bury son dead, and when me lock up some people, and which part the bone them there, come tell the world wanna know about me. Simple. Yeah, that's why me I talk. And I know, me make some big talk and some big statement, and I know me not hear nobody go on like them want to come dispute and go on, because you know why? Because pay facts me I talk. I'm not an asylum seeker. I never make no deal, no way, in the system with nobody from my born till now. I don't make no deal with no government against nobody. You know, straight up, I deal with my thing. So, I'm going to relax now, on the Sunday, and kick back, And tomorrow, 2nd of November, will be Coronation Day. For those of you who believe in the coronation of His Majesty. Like I tell already, say, I kind of take exception when people are talking about what and who and thing. Me know say Rasta is a black thing. So who want come talk about Rasta is a one love thing. Me don't know about that's something there. And I don't know about no universal God neither. So I don't want a man come go on like him want come tell me about Rasta this, but Rasta not that. And Rasta. It's like the way the thing set now, everybody want to make Rasta be what they want it to be for them. Like Rasta, the self-serving thing. I don't know about that. And I notice some man will wear frock now and claim that a bongo headed them with a fella is like them switch up bongo headed thing. And now, what's the difference between bongo with 12 tribe and Bobo? Is there any difference? To me, I one difference. One wear frock and one no wear frock. What's the difference between Nyabingi, 12 tribe, Orthodox, and Bobo? What? One tie up the head and one wear frock. But all of them multicultural now. Me not part of none of that. I mean, I teach my youth them to come join nothing with multi. And that's some idea, my thing there. You have a good day. And if you have something to say, come say it positively to me so me can know, say, well, some positive people still outside there and we have something in common. Don't come question me now about my blackness. And if you have no multicultural issue, keep it to yourself. Don't come try to come in and commenting, come time. I don't have time for that. And if you want